Go ahead.
All right, folks, this weight bench is absolutely phenomenal. I wasn't sure how I was going to go putting it together. It takes a little time, but very, very easy to do. The instructions were phenomenal. 2 thumbs up on those instructions. It took me about two and a half hours. I'm slow at putting stuff together. I don't like it. I'm not good at it. This was very simple with good instructions. It's got the arm curl pad here, right here. It's got your leg curl. You can do the front curl. You can do the reverse, laying down, doing the back curl for the back of your legs and the front of your legs. Front curls, back curls, arm curl. And of course, we got the rack here to put your weights on for the weight bench. It's got the adjustable bench. You can go whatever angle you want. You can go the whole way from that if you want to do like a straight press, or you can go the whole way down to, you can actually even have it that it's sloped down, or you can have it down straight, right there, be flat. Here's your bench press. It also has on the back here, adjustable. You can put your weight bar on the back or on the front. That's to store your weights, and this is when you do your bench press. When you lay down, this is to put your bar right here to do your press. Also, you got your arm curl. Down further. Got your curl bar. Then you got your leg curl this way. This, I have it wrong. This comes off to do your leg curls. And to take that off, all you do, that's it. So you got your leg curls, and then of course you got your lay down, and you got your reverse curls for the back of your legs. That curl. Of course, we have no weights on right now, so it's a little awkward to do. But when you're done with that, you put your arm curl bar right back on. It's as simple as that. Very, very nice piece. Well built.
And just to verify that it does not come with the weights, this is just the bench only.
Correct. Just the bench, no weights included.